Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create an AI logo in Canva. So Canva has a Canva AI tool which will help you create designs. To start with, you need to find a prompt. So I've used Claude AI to create my prompt. So I asked Claude to create an logo prompt for my jewelry brand called Luminous. And I'm going to copy that and paste it over into Canva. So I'm going to click on Canva AI on the left here. I'm going to paste that prompt in, and then I'm going to let Canva AI do its magic. So it's going to go ahead and look at my prompt and start generating ideas for my logo. So remember that even when the logos are generated, you can go in and edit them, like change the colors, change the fonts, anything you want. And if you don't like what you see, you can then go in and add a different prompt to encourage. To get AI to change something. So let's just give it a few seconds and see what type of logo it comes up with. So you can see on the left it says I've created several elegant logo options for Luminous that capture the luminous, refined aesthetic you're looking for. So let's have a look. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like the gold. I like the diamonds. That would be really good for a jewelry brand. And then it's given a different logo with slightly different text and a different graphic on the top. And so I can change things up if I want to see what it looks like, or with like maybe a silver background. No, you can't see that. Maybe a black background. That's quite nice. That's quite distinctive. So you can go ahead and play about with the AI generated logo that Canva has given you and get it exactly how you want it. When you're happy, you can download it and use it in your new business. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.